A land of once sunshine and bliss has been struck by an unexpected storm. Three neighbors, Peanut, Shell, and Woody, have lived here for a long time. Yet none of them can foresee the devastating catastrophe that is about to hit their lives. All hope seems to be lost as Peanut, Shell, and Woody step across the barren land. However, they realize within the ruins there is a chance for them to build a new life for themselves once more. With regained strength, determination, and resilience, the three pals maintain an optimistic mindset and work towards a better future together. They reach out for support and count on one another's strengths to build themselves a brand new home. A home which is stronger, brighter, and warmer.